Yes, sir. On your constituency. Hello, hello. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Joining me here is KPCC President and the candidate of the UDF Congress from Perampur constituency. You're seeking a mandate for the fourth term. What is your message to the people and why do you think the people, why are you asking the people to give you a chance?
People have given me mandate for last 3 times, and I have fulfilled their mission. We are doing development activities. Now we are standing before the Taluk office here. This is established due to my effort, my attempt. The Taluk is established. Along with this Taluk, other offices are run nowadays. I could file my nomination in the Taluk office in Levity today because this is established in the year 2013. Whereas while I was a candidate in 2011, I had to go filing the nomination. Some 50 kilometers have to travel. Now the developmental activities. You see the road from Dalicheri, you see the Unity Bridge, you see the Kuttapura Bridge on the border area. How was the condition in 2011? What is the condition nowadays? That much improvement is in development. The continuous developmental activity. Though the government, LDF government has neglected finally, normally they have neglected our wishes, our aspirations, our demands. They have requested, denied. Even then, we will go ahead. As UDF government will fulfill the mission, will take up the remaining development issues, and I will complete the wide support of the people here.
Take on CPF has brought in a senior leader, Mr. Shailaja. How do you feel about it?
Once we have the fight in between, there is a teacher advisor, and I could be.
I think that will be
I will deal with the public.
So the main issue is that when we spoke to many people, the plan and the problem is a major issue in your constituency. What can be done for that and what is your promise?
You say that I'm in the position. But I can raise the issue very seriously before the Assembly and the government. Two adjournment motions were raised. I have submitted two adjournment motions to discuss the issue. 10 speeches I have made. Several representations I have given. Why the government was not interested in taking this adjournment motion for discussion? They have denied discussion. Twice I have submitted. One Mr. Justin, my own panchayat. He was brutally killed by a wild elephant. I took the issue as an adjournment motion in the assembly, but the government was not willing to discuss the matter. Again, when in Manandawadi, when Thomas was killed by tiger, I raised the issue in the assembly several times. UDF MLAs, including myself, have raised the issue both in the assembly and a member of the forest subject committee of the legislature. I am a member of the forest subject committee of the legislature. How many times I have raised it? Seriously, I have raised, sincerely I have raised. But the government is neglecting. They have no action, they have no plan, they have no funds. I will raise the issue seriously and we will solve the issue sincerely.
What is your solution to the people if your government comes to power?
All these issues, agrarian sector is being neglected by the government. When animal conflict is seriously there, unemployment is a major problem. Price rise is attempted being suffered by the local men, common people. All these issues are there. UDF will sort out all these problems. You will stand with the people.
We have interviewed the CNN News. The Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said that Rahul Gandhi is being able to be team of the BJP. In many places, including Delhi, Haryana, Bihar, the opposition lost because of the stand Rahul Gandhi and Congress. So how do you respond?
I only sympathize with the same. Who is the real hero of the opposition? Who is fighting BJP nationwide? Who had conducted the Bharat Jodo Yatra? Whose MPship was cancelled by the BJP? It is Rahul Gandhi's MPship alone. While he was MP from Wayanad, what the BJP had done? They had tried their level best to cancel the parliament membership of Rahul Gandhi even. They are blaming him. Likewise, the Kerala CM Ravodi, with his understanding with the Prime Minister and the BJP, he is also trying to blame Rahul Gandhi. He is the son of Rajiv Gandhi, who sacrificed his life for the country, life for the whole universe. So that Kerala CM is playing a tool, playing like a tool in the hand of the BJP. We are neglecting this kind of meaningless comments and criticism.
So there has been a huge momentum immediately we saw after the local body elections. After the elections were announced, CPM within an hour was announced their list. Initially they were delayed in contest. But right now, candidates have been announced. How will you see the elections, and as KPCC President, what do you think would be the results?
The local body election result will be repeated with thumping majority for that was a difficult one. She is one of the Panchayat persons. Formally we had it, what ruled out that Panchayat. If we regain it, there are several Panchayat persons in my constituency even. All over Kerala we could get the support of the people. Likewise, we will win the assembly election also with the mass support of the government.
So, but among the people, there is some kind of a, with all this confusion and delay, there is some kind of a issue or a criticism also that is being said that Congress doesn't have one leader, it's like multiple leaders fighting between them. So there is no fighting, there is no alignment.
What the CPM is facing, they are facing the authoritarian leadership of Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. That is why leaders like G. Sudhakaran, T.K. Govindan, all are leaving the party. All are leaving the party. Congress is a democratic party with joint leadership. Several leaders are there. Not only KPCC President or opposition. There are so many leaders in Congress party.
So you'll be going together like asking.
Of course, we are going to them. Where we are divided. Now where we are divided. Always we are united.
And what is your prediction for the seats, sir? Number of seats?
More than one. Thank you.
So that was the target. And here in this constituency, he will win with a thumping majority for a fourth term, is what he says.
I got it.
Okay. Thank